I'm show you, and in this video you learn how to work with the breadboard. To do this, we're going to access walkway.com. Once you're here, you click on Arduino, scroll down in the next page and find Arduino Uno. Here I'll add the breadboard, clicking on this plus sign, type in breadboard. I'll choose the half breadboard and its place here. The breadboard works with rows and columns, and I will start with the power rail that are holes that are row connected. I mean, they are holes that are connected horizontally. So here I have the negative row, and all these holes are connected horizontally. Same thing to the positive row. All these holes are connected. Same thing here on the top. In the middle of the breadboard, we have the holes that are column connected. So I mean here that all these holes are connected vertically, but the top part of the breadboard is not connected to the down part of the breadboard because we have this line that breaks the connection. So in order to create our first circuit, I'll add a LED and I'll place it here. I'll add also a resistor and place it here. I can place it here, 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 or here, doesn't matter. Since I place in the same column of one of the legs of our LED, it doesn't matter. So I'll place it here. As I'm just trying to make a circuit here, I will wire from my 3v3 pin to the row of the resistor here. So our electricity flows from here to the resistor, passes through the resistor, and then goes to the positive leg of our LED. Here I can do the negative part of our circuit, just taking this to the negative side of our leg. So our electrons, they flow through the 3v3, flow through the resistor, then through the positive leg of the LED, lights up, then flows through the negative side of the LED and goes to the G and D. And if I play here, I have my circuit working. So it doesn't matter where you place your LED or your resistor since they are column connected. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this class. This will be just the first part. You'll see more videos in this series, okay? See you. Bye.